பகிர்வதே உண்மையான ஆசிரியர் நெறி. Teaching and sharing what is learned and gained is a true virtue of an educator. Hello, greetings and a warm good morning to one and all present here. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all at this important moment. With the blessing of our beloved founder president, Chairman Colonel Professor Veltech Dr. Rangarajan, beloved founder, President, Chairman, Colonel Professor Veltech Dr. R. Rangarajan, Founders President Dr. Saguntala Rangarajan, Chairperson and Managing Trustee Mrs. Rangarajan Mahalakshmi Kishore. We are really honored to have a respected Principal Dr. E. Kamalnathan Sir, respected Dean Academics Dr. V. R. Ravi Sir, respected Controller of Examination Dr. S. Govindsamy Sir, respected Deans, respected CSE Head Dr. S. Durgadevi Ma'am, respected other department heads, respected resource person Ms. Valli Ma'am, respected event coordinator Dr. J. Sendal Murugan Sir, Associate Professor CSE, and our dedicated faculty participants. We are very glad to have you all with us today, and I welcome you all on behalf of Veltech Hightech Dr. Rangarajan Dr. Saguntala Engineering College to get knowledge and skill with our 5 days faculty development program on Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate, jointly organized by Veltech Hightech Dr. Rangarajan Dr. Saguntala Engineering College and ICT Academy in association with Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. Now I request everyone to rise for prayer. The divine guide us with pure thoughts and noble actions to create a bright path ahead. Let us invite our respected dignitaries to come forward and perform the auspicious lighting of the lamp. And 20 from other reputed institutes. So regarding ICT Academy, the main vision of ICT Academy is it's acting as a public-private initiative aiming to bridge the gap between academia and industry by developing skills and enhancing employability for faculties and students. The main core activities of ICT Academy focuses on faculty development, student skill training, entrepreneurship programs and research initiatives to empower education and industry collaboration. The impact through ICT Academy has transferred over 5,000 plus institutions by providing skill building resources and had trained 20,000 plus trainers across India. Few inspiring quotes of ICT Academy. Education is not just about imparting knowledge, it is about preparing minds to innovate, adopt and head. Empowering a teacher transformed an entire classroom. One trainer at ICT Academy can change lives. ICT Academy collaborates with global tech giants like Microsoft, Google and Oracle, ensuring trainers and trainees stay ahead with world-class certifications. A focus on empowerment through knowledge makes sense and acts as a beacon of inspiration in education and industry. The following list all the benefits from ICT Academy to Veltech Hightech Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Saguntala Engineering College. We were the privileged membership from the period of 2017 to 2022. With the continuous support from management, principal and dean, we have received additional opportunities in renewing for the period of 2024 to 2029. During the current academic year, we have conducted training through ICT Academy under the association of Infosys Foundation, CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility on the topic Certificate Course on Data Analytics. And the training hours is 180 hours for core and 20 hours for soft skills. Training started during 23rd September 2024 and ended at 19 October 2024. Before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. With great respect and admiration, I invite our esteemed principal, Dr. E. Kamalanaban sir, whose visionary leadership and dedication to empowering students, faculty and society drive our institute towards excellence. So please join us on stage to address the gathering.
5 days FDP on Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate. Our friend Mr. Anand, Relationship Manager, ICT Academy. Yeah, I did not spell out madam name actually. It's Valli, Senior Technical Trainer, Training and Development, ICT Academy. Our beloved in academics, Professor Dr. V.R. Ravi, our head of the department, Computer Science, Dr. Durga Devi, and our coordinator, Computer Science, Dr. Sindhil Murugan, Associate Professor, and partly Champion, you are also organizing it, Dr. Champion, Associate Professor, and the faculty members of Computer Science and Engineering Department, and the participants of our own, internal as well external, the other colleges who are here, and our own few bright students who are here for this program today. Very good morning, all of you. This is really, this program has come up from this ICT Academy, and ICT Academy has got tied up with this jointly by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. So ICT Academy is helping the institution Tamil Nadu, and we got recently 5 years membership from the ICT Academy, and we are with this ICT Academy for the last 1 decade, we can say, 5 plus 5, even with this 5. Really they are doing well, and last 6-7 years we have done a lot of programs with ICT Academy, and even recently one CSR program tied up with Infosys. What is the name actually? Data Analytics, yes. Some 60 to 70 students were attended. Really very good program. We have to thank ICT Academy, really. So they are taking a lot of initiatives, good initiatives, to bridge the gap between industry academia. We say III, Institute Industry Interaction. Institute Industry Interaction, III. So therefore that part they are doing very well, very nice, and even in fact they are with CII, Confederation of Indian Industry. So that is a very big network, even where they bring people from CII and many things. See, they are connecting people to the institutions, educational institutions. Really good work. And by that way, what we got this 5 days FDP, really there is going to help the faculty members, to have some training on that program. And today, talk of the trend, talk of the town, we say something all the time, people with artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, data analytics, so many things, many of them, 90% they do some, mini or main projects, based on these domains. So therefore, faculty members need to equip the knowledge on these technologies. If you don't equip in this domain particularly, even today when you look, every year students enrollment is much more than the other branches actually, the enrollment when you see. So that is how. So when you, even autonomous or the deemed universities, the institutions, they are coming up with a kind of curriculum that is more and more industry relevant, 50-50, something like that. It is not like the old traditional way where you would have come across some 25 years, 30 years with similar kind of courses. We say those courses may be core or some fundamentals or something like that. And all the time you see, you take up like C, C++ or something, you talk about some languages which are there for last 3, 4, 5 decades. And similar to some subjects people they read, computer science or the IT or MCA or now even today AIDS or AML, something like that. But the day has come today to learn something very new concepts. So thereby where you can give exposure to the students community. So students are very eager in learning something new. But we cannot go with these old concepts. We cannot go with the old, what I thought 10 years before, the same thing I can't come today to the class and teaching the same. But what is my special that I teach for my students? So the other side, they are also very much interested, and myself also need to be equipped, and interestingly I have to take such a class, I have to deliver such a lecture. So then that makes something special, that makes something great. Okay. So therefore, today, even we have, here, AIDS we have 180 intake, AML we have 120 intake, computer science we have 180 intake, and IT we have 120. Okay. Altogether it nearing reaches to 600 intake. These 4 departments alone. So maximum number of students who opt for these specific computing sciences actually, when you see compared to other non-scientific branches. Even last semester we had 2 programs with Ematicus. One is machine learning and its applications. The one FDP we conducted for faculty members. The other one is data visualization and augmented virtual reality. Yes, virtual reality, something like that. 2 very good programs, FDPs we conducted last semester. So we want to equip knowledge for faculty members. Then only faculty members can take this knowledge to students. Otherwise, there is no meaning in going for programs like AML, CSE and then AIDS, whichever the specializations. Even we offer BTech honors for which students they take any branch of student can take any course. It's open in the institute. We say that like in the university they say university electives, right? Yes, my gentleman, my friend is here. University electives. But we say here, it is like institutional electives, something like that. For all branches, these electives are very common. So mechanical guy can take here something like a machine learning and applications, a subject, or cloud computing, or something like that. Civil, students can enroll, can take a course, can apply. They can study, what is available in the domain. So when you gain 18 credits, in a specific domain, then you will be offered something like that. We are offering for students even more. This happens in the university system. So it has come every day. Even down the line, 5 to 10 years, when you go, you can see more of state universities and deemed universities and more of autonomous institutions. There may not be like restrictions in affiliating to one system and then tying up with some limited curriculum and syllabus, something like that. That may not be there in future when you see 5 to 10 years. So almost faculty members, the departments have to work and bring a lot of new things into the curriculum and accordingly how to frame the syllabus. So that makes something great and special for the students. So thereby they can do some good projects in the institution during their program study, second year, third year, and then final year. Here our students, they do one mini project in second year, and third year the second mini project, and the final year phase 1 and phase 2. They do 3 projects here, and almost they publish minimum 3 publications for these 3 years. So that is the system we made here. So students by default, they have to take up the mini projects, having formed the batches. That is being done in the first year itself. We formulate the batches. We form the batches, and then that goes up to final year. Then that goes to up to final year. And even we conduct innovative assignments, which is innovative really. Our faculty members, they prepare well before the start of the semester. It is like assignment statement or problem we say. We don't say assignment. It's not like a question, giving 10-mark question and writing, copying, all these things. We don't do that. But instead, we go for a thorough review with the faculty members, starting from senior faculty in the department, and then going to head of the department, then going to dean of school, then dean academics. So these many reviews that happens, these assignment problems, and then that is being floated to students 15 days in advance. And then they take up those assignments, and within 15 to 20 days they make ready, and that assignment they have to submit in the form of, it's like a record notebook, soft binding. That assignment should be of like 20 pages, 25 pages, with soft binding they have to submit. And then we float the schedule, and they have to present that innovative assignment in the class with the committee, 3-member committee. Committee will evaluate for the assignment marks. We don't give just like that marks for assignment. We don't say simply assignment, we say innovative assignment. There is a meaning for that, innovative assignment. Something they do, they work, and then they earn marks, they gain marks. 40 marks they have to earn, 40 marks. One assignment, if they submit, 40 marks that they have to gain. So likewise, we conduct lot of value addition, value added programs, something like that. Value addition we say, ABC, activity beyond classroom. Activity beyond classroom. Per week, 17 hours, we, that is there in the timetable itself. We incorporated in the timetable 17 hours. ABC, activity beyond classroom, like what I am saying now, mini projects. 2 slots in a week we allot for students, 3 plus 3, 6 hours for mini projects. All students they get it, like innovative assignments, value added courses, communication skill development, especially that we brought from the first year to give the basic communication for the students. 1:15, that too. You take 60 students in a class, we divide into 4 groups, 15, 15, 1:15. So parallelly, simultaneously, 4 faculty members have to take 4 15s into different locations, then they have to give practice for the students. Even if not 1:15, 1:20. 1:20. Because communication plays major role. Communication plays a major role in the software industry. Even a girl or boy is average, It is not at 9.5 or 9 CGPA. Having 7.5 CGPA, even 7, closer to 7, but having sound, skills, even technical as well, the soft, communication, the kind of communication that, gives boost for them actually when they go for their interview. College to, support for these activities, communication, verbal, so many, or aptitude, whatever it may be. So this is how, more of a skill-based programs that we run, in the institute. The meaning is that ready graduates. This is what is the objective or the goal or the slogan of this Veltech Hightech, making the students industry ready graduates, skilled industry ready graduates, skilled industry ready graduates. And we call, very often, experts, from the industries on specialized, programs and domains, even for giving guest lectures, seminars, more and more. We give such exposure for the, students. Aim is that when they pass out, when they move from this institute, yes, they are skilled engineers. They are skilled engineers. Even if you don't give job, if you don't offer, if they go out, they themselves, they can get offer. They themselves, they get offer. That is what the motto, that is what the motto or the mission or the vision of this, institute. That is how we are running. I think today, Madam is going to take up this, 5 days FDP. Definitely, you are going to get a very good knowledge on this platform. So finally, you can feel, you can enjoy that. Got a lot of knowledge on this specific title called Microsoft Azure AI Engineers Associate, something like that. Really good program. All members who are here, definitely, if you show your presence, 5 days effectively by adjusting your even classes or something, even with such arrangements, if you are here, really that helps you. But offhandedly, 50-50, you are here, you cannot learn. You cannot learn. So for a program, if it is given and planned and if you are registered, if you are here for 5 days, if you are here for 5 days, some 35 hours or 40 hours duration, 5 days, if you are here, if you could spend, then you will come to know the meaningful, or what to say, the meaning of this 5 days activity. Okay? I think all you will be attending 5 days without any gap, without any missing. 100% attendance. That makes you something really good. Okay? Thank you all.
For inspiring words, valuable guidance, and continuous support. Now I request our Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Dr. M. Malati Ma'am, to welcome our esteemed resource person.
Good morning, everyone. It is my pleasure to introduce our distinguished guest, Mrs. Valli E., a senior technical trainer in training and placement at the esteemed ICT Academy. Valli holds a Master's of Philosophy in Computers Application from Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, Madurai, Chennai, and she is currently pursuing a part-time PhD in the exciting field of artificial intelligence and machine learning at the same institution. With over 5 years of experience in both industry and academia, Madam has made significant contribution as a senior trainer in the IT industry. She has successfully conducted faculty development programs and student certification programs in over 30 sessions, demonstrating her commitment to empowering others through knowledge and skill development. Her technical expertise includes Python and R programming, artificial intelligence, machine learning, digital marketing, Power BI, robotics, process automation, and web designing and scripting. In addition, she holds an impressive array of certifications such as Microsoft Certified Power BI, Certified RPA Design and Development V3.0, Educator and Readiness Program, Microsoft Certified Azure AI Engineer Associate, Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals, Data Fundamentals and AI Fundamentals, certification in data analytics using Python R, Microsoft Certified Security, Compliance and Industry Fundamentals. Madam's dedication, technical acumen and passion for training make her an inspiring leader in the field of technology and education. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the warm welcome address about our resource person and setting the tone for the session. Now we request our principal sir to felicitate our resource person, Miss E. Valli, madam. To appreciate and give ICT Renewal Certificate and Certificate of Center of Excellence of Youth Empowerment to train students on data analytics. Thank you, sir. They just work hard, then succeed on purpose. Now I request our Honorable Resource Person, Ms. E. Valli ma'am, to motivate our active participant by joining us on stage to address the gathering.
Everyone. So hopefully, so welcoming, thanks for the warm welcoming, because so long back I came, I think, I don't know, Veltech so many times is missing, Veltech College. I have visited so many colleges in around India and also Tamil Nadu and Chennai particularly, and Veltech so many times I missed. Today morning I received very traditional welcoming methods following here, so I'm so happy to be here. That's what the Microsoft Azure AI, as your principal said, this is one of the talkative booming technologies right now, and I will give you that word right now. You will enjoy the session. Okay, yeah, this is one of the wonderful emerging tool, and also the new technology with using Azure platform. So we'll all enjoy the session. So I don't want to spend much time here, because anyway the next 4 days you're all going to spend with me. We are going to discuss so many things. Thank you.
Participants to gather way to second floor for the session. Now there's a